Hi friends, so it's time for our phonics and we're going to start, this is a repeat after me. So I do want you to say the sounds after you hear me say them. So here we go. A, apple, A. B, bat, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, ed, E. F, fun, F. G, game, G. H, hat, H. I, itch, I. J, jug, J. K, kite, K. L, lamp, L. M, man, M. N, nut, N. O, octopus, ah. P, pan, P. Q, U, queen, Qu. R, rat, R. S, snake, S. T, top, T. U, up, V, van, V. W, wind, W. X, fox, X. Y, yellow, Y. Z, zebra, Z. W, H, whistle, W. C, H, chin, Ch. S, H, ship, Sh. T, H, thumb, Th. C, K, sock, K. That was awesome, friends. Thank you so much. You did a great job, and I will see you soon.